Hello dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Souras's classes, and in this video I am solving RBI grade B DSIM जिसका मतलब है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट, उसी का एक जो पेपर है स्टैटिस्टिक्स का डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर 2, उसी पेपर का सॉल्यूशन, previous year paper ka solution. So if you want to take classes from our side, or want to take doubt clearing session, or want to take previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav themselves reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. अगर आप में से कोई भी हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, so this is the best time now. We can provide the maximum discount for that course. So don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav's class and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav sir. So let's start with question number 8b. Question number 8b में क्या बोला है? Let x1 x2 up to xn be independent and identically distributed the random variables with this normal distribution n of theta 1. Obtain the Bhattacharya bound for g theta equals to theta square and normal theta belongs to theta k. So how can I find Bhattacharya's bound? The Bhattacharya's bound is a bound that means square error, that means MAC is an estimator. Specifically, it gives the lower bound on the variance of any unbiased estimator of function g theta of a parameter theta. Okay, so the Bhattacharya bound for this unbiased estimator, that is Tx of g theta, is given by Tx of g theta is given by variance of Tx greater than equals to g dash theta whole square by n into I of theta. So g theta क्या है? G theta is the derivative of g theta with respect to theta, and I theta is the Fisher information. I theta क्या है? यहाँ पर Fisher information है, and n is the number of IID, that means independent and identically distributed samples x1 x2 in IID samples of x1 x2 up to xn. So now we can compute the Fisher information. So for that, normal distribution in theta 1, the Fisher information I theta is given by I of theta equals to E of del by del theta log of if x colon semicolon of theta square. Okay, so where if x comma theta is the probability density function of x. So for x normally distributed as n of theta comma 1, then the PDF is what? F of x semicolon theta that is 1 by 2 pi root 2 pi exp exponent of minus x minus theta whole square by 2. Okay, so derivative of the log likelihood with respect to theta, that means del theta log of f x comma theta, that is equals to x minus theta by 1, that is x minus theta. So the Fisher information of I theta is क्या है? I of theta equals to exponent of x minus theta whole square. So since x normally distributed as n of theta comma 1, so we have e of x minus theta whole square equals to 1. So therefore I theta का वैल्यू कितना निकला? I theta का वैल्यू हो गया 1. So now we can compute g dash theta, derivative of g theta. So g theta equals to theta square, and here g dash theta means क्या होगा? Derivative of g theta, that means d by d theta of theta square, that means 2 theta. So now we can apply the Bhattacharya's bound. So where variance of t x greater than equals to g dash theta whole square by n into I theta. So now we can substitute the values. We computed variance of tx greater than equals to 2 theta whole square by n into 1, that means 4 theta square by n. So इसका फाइनल आंसर क्या निकलेगा? Thus the Bhattacharya bound for the variance of any unbiased estimator tx of g theta is theta square, that is variance of tx greater than equals to what? 4 theta by n square. So that will be the actual answer for that question. Okay, so that's all about that. अगर ये वीडियो और ये मेथड आपको अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को अपने फैमिली से और दोस्तों से शेयर कर लीजिए, और हमारा चैनल को इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। फॉर लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन। आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।